Good morning, students, and welcome to the class of Information Technology. Children, in this session, we are going to discuss some important multiple choice questions from the topic word processor. So, here comes your first question. Word processing software allows you text with a minimum of effort. So, if we by mistake delete something, so we can get it by the retrieve command. A spelling checker is also called. It is known as electronic dictionary. Windows are especially helpful. So we can do cut and paste operations. Which of the following is not an essential function of a word package? So children, indexing is not a essential function. We can do saving, editing and formatting. In which view headers and footers are visible? So answer is print layout view. The process of removing unwanted part of an image is called cropping. Alright, suppose this is an image, and if you want to cut this and this, so this thing is known as cropping. To apply central alignment to a paragraph, we can press, correct answer is Ctrl plus E. The space left between the margin and the start of a paragraph is called, answer, indentation. The text styling feature of MS Word is, children, you can see the way it is written, the way this thing is written, and the way this thing is written. Okay, and suppose a word W is there. Okay, so you can write it like this also. Alright, so what is this? This is a text styling feature. Alright, and it comes with the help of word art. Alright, which items are placed at the end of a document? So it is end note. A number of letter that appears little above the normal text is called. So suppose you want this. Okay, so it comes with the help of superscript. And suppose if you want this, so it comes with the help of subscript. We can insert a page number at, so page number we can insert at header also and footer also. So correct option is both A and B. Selecting text means selecting. So if you are selecting something, so you can select a word, entire sentence. We can select whole document also. MS Word automatically moves the text to the next line when it reaches the right edge of the screen and is called. So the correct answer is, children, word wrap. Alright, so suppose the screen is there and you are writing a line, so automatically when the page margin will be there, the next word will come automatically in next line. In MS Word, for what does ruler help? So ruler is there. Okay, horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. So we set tabs, we set indents, and we change page margins also. So the correct answer is all of the above. Which key should be pressed to start a new paragraph in MS Word? So we can press enter key to start a new paragraph. Which of these toolbars allow changing of fonts and their sizes? So the toolbar is formatting toolbar. Which bar is usually located below the title bar that provides categorized options? So the correct answer is menu bar. What is the function of control plus B? So children, if you want to make the text bold, as you can see the question number 17, and check the options A, B, C, D. So question is in bold. So if you want to get this effect, so we have to press control plus B. Which shortcut key is used to spell check in MS Word? So if you have written everything and if you want to check the spellings and grammatical mistakes, so we have to press F7 key. So children, that's all in today's class. Hope you will utilize this knowledge in your forthcoming exams. Thank you and goodbye.